So hey guy, today this video I want to teach how to replace this SmartTech battery. This is the old SmartTech and most reliable if you compare to the latest one. Got a lot of problem, but this I use for quite a year, many years already. So far not giving me any issue. So now it's low battery. So this video is teach you how to replace the battery for it. So how we know it low battery is very simple. When you slot in your Touch and Go card, you just press. Okay. Then it show low. Then you buzzer the buzzer will sound. Is low. So the step to replace this battery is very simple. Before you replace, make sure you buy a new one, the correct one. Okay, make sure I already take it out. You must buy a 9V. Okay, any brand, but I prefer the Energizer. I bought it from 99 Speedmart. It's just 11 ringgit. Okay, so it's 9V battery. Okay, I normally prefer to buy Energizer. Because most of the time I buy Energizer, I can use last for a year, more than a year. So every one, I think around 1 year and 3-4 months, then I replace it. It's quite can last long compared to other type of battery. Okay. So I just bought it. Oh, this is Energizer Max, quite reliable, I think so. At the same time, I let you read about this Energizer Max. Okay, AA. But this is AA size? No. This is a 9V battery. Okay. It's made in Malaysia. Okay, make sure you buy this type of battery to replace your SmartTech. Okay, so how it open is very simple. Sorry, just now I show you a battery and waste a lot of time. Then make sure you get the sealing. Okay, any type of sealing. So you put over here, just you can see the symbol over here. Okay, it's a lock and unlock, and you just twist it, rotate it. After that, you just take it out. Very simple step. Okay, then you take out. This is the old one, Energizer. Okay, so you have to pull this out. Okay, pull this out. How to pull is quite hard, Anyway, just carefully, Don't over pull. Later spoil this cable. Must be careful. Okay, must be careful. So yeah, just slowly take it out. Oh my god. Okay, must very careful, otherwise you will spoil this thing and you have to replace this, make it more difficult. So this is the latest one. Make sure the polarity is correct. Okay, so okay, and okay, after that you make sure you try it. Is it function properly? Okay, high mean full capacity. So how to insert back? Just make sure the wire is here and you just put it, and you have to take care of the wire. Then can you see? Okay, make sure the wire is correctly insert. Okay, after insert, okay, make sure the position is like this, it's correct. Then okay, then you take a sealing, just screw it. That's all, very simple. After that you try again. Yeah, just left 25 ringgit. yeah, that's all. Replacing the smart tag is very easy. I prefer this old one, can last longer. So that's all for my video. If you like it, please give me a like, and if you dislike it, just put dislike. And I welcome you to subscribe my channel, to amateur channel. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.